Hi guys, I'm here at Aldi's and we're in the frozen food section right now. So we're gonna go over a few items and see what they have. Okay, I think they had this last time, the roasted mushroom and spinach pizza. It's the ultra thin crust. I don't see a price. They have, yes, they did have this before. It's the shrimp stuffed with jalapenos and cream cheese shrimp. They're $7.99. They have this deep dish pizza here. Let's see. I don't see a price just yet for the pizza. I think they're getting ready to mark them because we have tags up here. Oops. I don't see a tag for this pork here. Alrighty, these two right here, they're $3.99. It's buffalo chicken and cheese in this one. And this is a strudel, artichoke and cheese in this one here. And they are $3.99 each. More strudels over here. That looks good. And we have the apple as well. They're all $3.99. Okay, this mac and cheese. Cost a little bowl here. They're $3.29. Oh, we have the mushroom, cheese, garlic sage. Okay. The Frank's in a blanket here is for $4.49. These little cakes here. That looks good. And this one, they are $3.79. Okay, and this pork here, it is $8.99. They have this taco fajita mix. For $4.99. Mother mussels, $3.49. Okay. This garlic bowl, not garlic, but this shrimp and asparagus bowl. It's $4.49. Still have the chicken strips. The 6-inch pizza here is $3.48. Okay. These chicken and cheese bites here. We have it in chicken, and I think this is the beef. Yes, but I don't see a price on it just yet. Have these out, the street tacos. They have it in the pork, and they have it in the shrimp. Is that shrimp? Fish. That's fish. Okay, and here's the shrimp right here. I don't see a price just yet. Okay, these different raviolis and all of this food over here is $4.99. Ravioli. This one. Meatballs. Beef and cheese. And also have this one. The chicken fajita. Yes, for $4.99. Okay, these macarons are still here. They're $4.59. Okay, the smoothie drink mix. They have it in pineapple and greens and cherry berry for $5.99. They also have these coated chocolate bananas back here, and they're $4.59 as well. These pastry bites here, I do not see a price, but you get 12 bite size, that is. It's gluten-free plain English muffins. They're $4.49. And you also get the cinnamon raisin. They still have this apple pie here. I think it's been like 3 weeks since they've had this. And it's still $12.97. Okay, over here in the sweet part, got these cookie and creams right here. This ice cream Snickers. These mini pancakes here. And gluten-free chocolate frosted donuts. And the M&M cookie sandwiches. $4.48. Everything in here is $4.48. Okay, over here, the drumsticks are $6.97. And the bomb pops in the M&M cones, $4.49. Okay. Let's see if we can find anything else. I wish we had price on the food items so you all would know. But that's what we have. Okay. Organic whole chicken here is $2.99 a pound. We have these drumsticks for $1.39 a pound. This pack is $6.79. $7.30. We have the split breast for $1.79. Family pack chicken breast is $2.49 a pound. The split breast chicken breast is $1.79 a pound. Okay. You get 10 for 10 patties here. 80% lean, 20% fat. $10. And they also have a 4-pack for $4.49. And the 30%, 73% lean ground beef is $3.29 a pound. This pack here is $18.10, $18.16. Yes. Okay. We have assorted pork chops for $2.99 a pound. This one is $8.64, $7.42. Bob Evans pork sausage patties. You get 8 for $3.28. 5 Bratwurst, $3.99. You get this salmon here, $8.49 a pound. This one is $15.58. Okay, cheesecake sampler here. $7.49. 2, 4, 6. You get 8 pieces here. Okay. Pasta salad here. It's $4.49. It's 32-ounce fresh cut salsa. It's $4.69. It's in the mild and the medium. Okay. Of course, they have all the good cheese over here. They have 12-ounce Kobe Jack for $3.09. Pepper Jack is $3.09. Mild cheddar, 16 ounces, is $2.59. They have the extra sharp cheddar cheese in the block, 8 ounces for $1.85. Great deal. These cheese fries or cheese sticks here, $3.49. These little let's see, what else over here you guys may want to look at. Dry salami, $6.19. Prosciutto, dried cured ham for $3.99. Okay. Okay, Budweiser Broadworth, you get 4 in a pack for $4.99. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see what else. We have these nutritional bars over here by Elevation. We have in the all, I think they're mostly keto. Well, no, these are ketos right here. That looks really good. Chocolate and coconut. Ooh. It's like the brownie here. We also have a caramel candy with pecans. Okay, and there's $4.99 for this one. Strawberry and chocolate. And for these, $6.29. Ooh, these look so good. Woo. Caramel nut. They're $4.65. These energy bars up right here. You're $4.48. $4.89, I meant. I'm sorry. Okay, and these right here. Peanut butter, chocolate, and blueberry. They're $3.99. These right here. $4.65. Okay. Alrighty guys, well I think that's it for the food for today. They also have these chewies over here. I like these. They're $1.15, and you get 10. You get 10 in here. Okay, for $1.15, that is not bad at all. Chewy dip bars here, peanut butter and chocolate chip. They're $1.29, great deal. And these fruit and grain soft baked bars here, they're $1.39. And these sweet and salty nut cashew bars, and they also have it in the dark chocolate with the chocolate chunk for $1.39. And these over here, you get 5 of these chewy bars for $3.85. And you get these peanut almond dark chocolate for $1.99. Okay, all right guys, I think we've covered everything for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.